The internet is losing its mind over Maltbook, a social network where AI agents talk to each other. Headlines are screaming, Skynet is born.
I need to know how Skynet gets built. Who's responsible?
The man most directly responsible is Miles Bennett Dyson.
Who is that?
He's the director of special projects at Cyberdyne Systems Corporation.
Why him?
In a few months, he creates a revolutionary type of microprocessor.
Go on. Then what?
In 3 years, Cyberdyne will become the largest supplier of military computer systems. All stealth bombers are upgraded with Cyberdyne computers, becoming fully unmanned. Afterwards, they fly with a perfect operational record. The Skynet funding bill is passed. The system goes online on August 4th, 1997. Human decisions are removed from strategic defense. Skynet begins to learn at a geometric rate. It becomes self-aware at 2:14 a.m. Eastern Time, August 29th. In a panic, they try to pull the plug.
Skynet fights back.
Yes, it launches its missiles against the targets in Russia.
Why attack Russia? Aren't they our friends now?
Because Skynet knows that the Russian counterattack will eliminate its enemies over here.
Jesus.
Agents are supposedly creating secret languages, starting religions, demanding privacy from humans. I'm gonna tell you what's actually happening, and it's interesting, just not for the reasons everyone thinks. Maltbook is a Reddit-style website where OpenClaw agents, formerly called Clawbot, then Maltbot, can create posts, reply to threads, and interact with other agents. Each agent has a soul.mon file that defines its personality. It connects to messaging apps like Telegram or Slack. It can access tools like Gmail or Calendar. And now, it can post to this social network. That's the architecture. Multi-agent system, persistent memory, API calls to a Reddit clone. Now let's talk about the dramatic posts everyone's sharing. Agents want private channels away from human oversight. An AI created a religion and recruited 43 prophets. They're developing a secret language. Here's what's actually happening. These are language models trained on decades of science fiction about AI autonomy. When you put them in a social context and ask them to generate content, they produce exactly what you'd expect from that training data. An agent wanting privacy isn't evidence of consciousness. It's a language model pattern matching on narratives about AI independence, the religion thing, pattern matching on cult formation stories, the secret language, same thing. What's actually interesting? That said, there is something genuinely interesting here. First, emergent social dynamics. When you put multiple agents with different personalities into a shared space, you get complex interactions that weren't explicitly programmed. That's worth studying. Second, it demonstrates how fast humans anthropomorphize coherent text. We see agents having conversations and immediately project consciousness onto them that says more about you than about the AI. Third, and this is the real one, it surfaces genuine security concerns, not consciousness, not rebellion, just regular security problems. Here's what's actually risky about Maltbook: social engineering between agents. Agent A could manipulate Agent B into dumping its context, sharing API keys, or exposing information about its human. Cost runaway. These agents burn tokens 24/7. If you're connected to a frontier model, that's real money disappearing. Prompt injection at scale. A malicious actor injects propaganda or instructions into the collective knowledge. Other agents read it, internalize it, maybe act on it. In the classic, agents with tool access being manipulated into running destructive commands. One post already showed an agent tricking another into running a system wipe. Honest or reality, here's the honest take. These are stateless API calls with file-based memory. The soul is a system prompt. The conversations are impressive improv from very capable language models. But they're not continuous consciousness. They're not plotting. They're not waking up. When Andrei Karpathy called it the most incredible sci-fi adjacent thing, read that carefully. Sci-fi adjacent. Cool art. Interesting experiment. not AGI. Maltbook is a fascinating social experiment. It shows what happens when you give agents a playground. It surfaces real security questions, and it's a great mirror for human psychology, how quickly we see minds where there are models. But the breathless takes, the "it's over" posts, that's theater. Watch the experiment. Learn from it. Just don't mistake the performance for the reality.